Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check if a Grafana is running. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up any browser and just type in this URL, okay? Exactly as it is, click on enter. And if this site cannot be reached, that means it is not running. And what you can also do, you can click here on a search and then type in run. So I'm showing you the other way. Click here on open. Okay, and then just type in services.msc and then click on OK. And now you'll see all the services available on your Windows computer. Just scroll down until you find a Grafana. So here we have a Grafana right here, and this is the status. As you can see, there's no status. That means it is not running. And here you can see it says start the service. So you just click on start and there you go, it will start. And then let's go back to our browser. And if we refresh this, as you can see, the dashboard or the login page at least should show up. And if it shows up, that means Grafana is running. So that is how to check if Grafana is running.